Water's just running down from the back of the house into the sump and then draining up the top of the stormwater drain. Someone's cut a window into the drain. At the back of the house, doesn't really look like that water's going anywhere. And maybe that's the source of the water that's draining. So there's the new sump in place. It's got a metal grate on top. So if it gets clogged up with dirt, we can open the lid to the right and then clean up the bottom of the sump. So we should probably do something about that. Tidy it up a bit. And may have to repaint that pipe if you want it black. And at the back of the house, they're going to come back tomorrow and clean up the deck as well. All the water is now flowing. There's a new sump there, and you can see that to the left of that is a pipe, a drain. That one there on the left, and that one there is continually flowing, so that's why there's always water here. So they're going to wrap cloth or geotextile fabric around all of the pipes, and then cover it with drainage metal and leave it just with drainage metal.